online shoppers, before I go getting this tree all great and decorated, I wanted to show you how beautiful it is even without the decorations. This is the YITAHOME 7.5-foot unlit Christmas tree. It has over 1,300 branch tips, and I love the way it's put together. It has 3 different sections, and each of the sections has branches that fold out, so you don't have to go like hooking things in. Everything comes in just the 3 sections plus the base, and you just have to fold the branches out, fluff out the tips, and you are good to go. Now this one has a lot of tips, so it took me about 25-30 minutes to fully fluff it, but it came out of the box just like the day I bought it, and this is my 3rd year with this Christmas tree. It works really well, and it has definitely stood the test of 3 Christmases, and I can see a lot more coming this way. Now I love how lush and dense and thick this Christmas tree is. It's got so many tips that it isn't easy to see through, and then when you add decorations on top of it, it's just absolutely such a nice Christmas tree. I love the quality of the branches. As I said, I've had this for 3 years, and every time I unfold it, I don't have a lot of shedding. It just is a really beautiful tree year after year after year. I love the quality. I love that I can't really see the stem of the Christmas tree or the trunk of it because they've wrapped the green in it so it blends in with everything. And the other thing I love about it is when you buy a pre-lit tree, that can come with some problems, but this one doesn't have lights, so you can pick some of those really cool lights that are out there on the market right now, or you can just put on some plain simple white lights and not have to worry about one section of light not working because you just have to put the lights on afterward. If you were looking for a gorgeous Christmas tree, this one here by YITAHOME is definitely one that I think is fantastic. High quality, tons of tips, lush and thick, stands the test of time. It's definitely a family favorite at my house.